You're right, on the walk again without a drink because yeah, they don't sell water. I was just about to get a water, but I suppose they don't sell it. Okay, lovely. That's a fail. But yeah, no, the thing is, how do you say that? Yeah, they have green and I have red. Lovely. But I don't really like Fanta or Coca-Cola. I don't really like those drinks. I never drink carbonated drinks. Always just tap water, And I suppose it's always been that way because I just don't like the sparkling, prickling feeling. I don't really like that. But if I see the prices that they post and what they sell, they just don't have anything for me. Maybe they would have had, just like Domino's, would have had a milkshake, thick shake, or at least something similar. But nope, we can walk. Yes, nice. But yeah, no, that's something they don't have, or at least not listed on their menu. And if they don't have it on their menu, fuck it. Then never mind, because I can ask it, but he was on the phone, and so then I have to wait. Yeah, whatever. He has a whole speaker on his back. What? That's cool. It's very cool. At least it wasn't very loud, so it was definitely appropriate. But where do people even go get their food and drinks over here? You see a Jumbo thing. Jumbo. But I don't see any supermarket. That's why I went to the fucking Domino's. Or not Domino's, to the New York Pizza. So I might get a drink, but no. Because a little sip of water wouldn't hurt right now, It definitely wouldn't hurt after walking for this long. A little bit of water can do magic things, Yeah, no, never mind. There goes the Jumbo. What is this? What the fuck? I suppose they rented out a room and I don't know what they were doing in there, but it wasn't YouTube certified, I think. So let's just not say it. I mean, I do say a lot, right? But not everything. Not everything. We can't say everything because, then I'll get cancelled. Or my YouTube account just gets banned, which is terrible because I still have 2 years of videos to put online. Another My Wheels, which is this time a bigger car actually, so they do have bigger cars, even in the city. Okay. My Wheels is just a sharing company or something like that. Also filled in some surveys about it, or at least heard about them in surveys, because I never used it, so I can't be like, oh, let's fill in a survey about it. Would be a bit weird, wouldn't it? This is a Porsche X-Mac. Okay. Smeg things and Porsche. What the hell? Expensive things, I suppose. Oh, they are currently filming over there. Lovely. Very good. Another filmer, but this time with a real camera. You can find it all today. There goes the train. I still don't know how they operate with trains. How are they making profit? Or don't they? I don't know. Hello? No, don't say anything. You dickwad. Some people, I swear. That's a 110 euro claim right there. Driving with your phone. Till Monday. Till. Fuck off. I don't Monday. Today is Tuesday. Monday I have to work. Now I am reminded that I have to work on Monday. Ah, fucking dickwad. Jesus Christ. Reminding me that I have to work on Monday. Ah, let me enjoy my fucking vacation. Let me just walk through Amsterdam, you know? It's exactly what we want. I mean, the first ferry part, I don't know if I'm walking correctly right now. But the first part really looked like I was just going down one long street. And I suppose it is this street. My orientation and my navigation is pretty good. But yeah, even I sometimes am wondering how long a road really is. Because this is long right now. Very long. This is as long as something else. Ramses Shaffy House. Wait, really? Zing, vecht, huil, bid, lach, werk en bewonder. Zing, vecht, huil, bid, lach, werk en bewonder. That's pretty cool. Let me actually see. Because I do love a good Ramses Shaffy House. The Ramses Shaffy House is the first artistic house in Amsterdam where young and old artistic people live together and work together. It is one of the meeting places and breeding places where there is also people living, performed, created and how do you say that? Let's zien by kunstenaarhuizen, artistic houses. Amsterdam helps artistic people a physical podium in the Society of Ramses Shaffy House and an online platform of artistichouses.amsterdam. Okay. Interesting, very interesting. I tried directly translating it for you guys. Well, that didn't really work, I suppose. But it is definitely very interesting that they do that. I didn't know that was over there. Huh. I mean, we also haven't seen the Anne Frank house today, so that's also maybe somewhere where we could have walked by. I mean, it's Amsterdam either way, right? We have green over here, very good. Jesus Christ, some people. I'm not saying why I'm saying that, but something with a lovely little line, you know? Always watch out. You better watch out. Another monument in town. I suppose I can just show that, right? I mean, it is a naked woman. These days, maybe a naked binary or non-binary. Sorry, you never know. But still, you never know. You can't assume these days, especially not in Amsterdam. And before you know it, there's a sniper on some of the roofs, hearing me say non-binary and then making a little joke about it. And then, kabam! You know, you never know. You never know. But so far I do feel safe, which is pretty odd. Thinking that I'm walking with a phone in my hands. You know, never did it. Otherwise you would have seen it, obviously. But nope, never did it. Oh, this is another school. Yeah, I'm facing that way. That's good. Don't want to film children, obviously, due to obvious reasons. That wouldn't be appropriate. Another train. Choop choop. Well, you gotta love it. Which train is this? Yeah, Amsterdam Central. Duh, obviously. That makes sense. I mean, maybe it does continue, you never know. Hey, Radio 10. That's a Radio 10 build. That's a public sender for the radio, you know? It's interesting. Very interesting. Huh. Young Capital also. Ah, it's all based in Amsterdam, you know what they say, right? Hello. Even old people sometimes, eh? Oh, this is some kind of storage underneath there. They're well maintained, to say it like that. Let's not film that much inside, but like, yeah, interesting to say the least. Even a little swing over there. Big trees, more of these houses, but this one seems to be the main office with the biggest company. Oh, with the biggest. Yeah, now I'm coming up on a junction, and I don't know. I don't know where to go. So I suppose we are gonna have to see where to go next. But I'm not there yet, so don't worry. We still have a little bit of time to talk and shit. But my legs are seriously starting to hurt. Okay. DJ Ahmed. DJ Ahmed. DJ Ahmed. Very beautiful. What is this? Tram station. That is the tram going down. Interesting. Never seen this. Never have I seen this. Hello. IBFD. I don't know what that is. What kind? Sometimes it's just interesting to search up certain buildings and stuff like that, right? About what they do, how they operate. Yeah, now I definitely have to watch where I have to go. 2 quick seconds.